Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying two essentials, level 30 and the light class gear. Without those, the vow won't unlock. Next, head straight to the central hub area and open the quest menu, then accept the vow of Sway mission. Once accepted, begin farming nearby roaming mobs for 3 Sway shards. Focus on enemies that drop shards frequently. While fighting, position yourself to kite hits, because survivability speeds the process. This sets you up to reach the next objective efficiently. Once you have shards, move to rift caverns during the night cycle. Drop rates increase significantly then. Make sure to use a buff potion before you combine. Approach the altar, deposit the 3 Sway shards, and initiate the 10-second attunement. While attuning, prepare for the Guardian miniboss spawn by positioning behind cover and readying your crowd control ability. When the Guardian appears, exploit its attack windows, stagger its heavy strikes, and finish the fight within 60 seconds, so the vow progression completes properly. Complete the sequence by returning to the hub and speaking with the vow NPC to register the vow of Sway and claim rewards. If the vow does not register, first confirm you had exactly 3 shards, and that the altar attunement reached 100% before the Guardian died. If problems persist, replay the encounter on a private instance and enable combat logging to confirm damage windows and timers. This helps you spot missed attunement seconds or accidental resets, so you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.